Let's face it, you've been home a lot, which means you've probably been cooking a lot, which also means there's a good chance you have some oil stains in some way or shape on your kitchen. Well, here are some real simple tips for removing those olive oil stains.
So today we are talking about one of the worst stains, olive oil. Okay, so picture this. You're having friends over for dinner and you just put on that new shirt you bought. Dinner's ready to go, your friends arrive, all you have left to do is dress the salad. But all it takes is one oil-drenched leaf to fly out of the bowl and onto your shirt to totally ruin your night. We are tackling oil stains, which honestly is one of the hardest stains to get out. We can't just use water, because as you know, oil and water don't mix. But luckily, what does work is adding a little bit of liquid dish soap. And don't worry, if that doesn't do the trick, we're gonna grab some hydrogen peroxide. So let's get started. I've got my oil stain. I'm gonna put my paper towel in between. I'm just gonna do a drop, scrubbing, 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 scrubbing. Bringing in my water bowl. I'm gonna dip it in the water, try and get all of this olive oil out. It might take a few times, but don't get stressed out. In fact, it's already looking a lot better. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more dish soap and repeat. When you're looking for dish soap, you wanna make sure you're looking for the grease cutting kind, because that will really help with this. Okay, so at this point, I can barely see the stain. I think what it needs now is just to run through the washing machine. Let's back up a second. This time the cleaning hack worked, but if you have a really set-in stain, you may need to take it up a notch. Try this. Now, paper towel, it goes in to make sure that I don't get the stain also on the back of my shirt. Now we're gonna try a little bit of dish soap. Scrubbing, 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 but this stain is really hard. Okay, it's not quite working. So I'm gonna grab my hydrogen peroxide. I'm just gonna do a little bit on it, grabbing my baking soda, toothbrush, okay, I'm dipping it in my water. I'm gonna give it a little rub. And look, it's looking pretty good. And I think at this point, if we just throw it in the washing machine, it'll be fully removed. Press from the dryer. And look, the stain is removed. It looks good.
Well, good tips there utilizing oxidation and chemistry. You can find more spotless hacks at realsimple.com.